Subscribe Dr. Sadiq Mathematics channel for getting more online videos.
Expand f of xy that is equal to e power x cos y about 1 comma pi by 4 in powers of x and y up to second degree terms. How to expand f of xy that is equal to e power x cos y, which is suitable expansion for this function. Today we discuss problems on Taylor's theorem for function of two variables. Let us say the problem. Expand f of xy that is equal to e power x cos y about 1 comma pi by 4 in powers of x and y up to second degree terms. Okay, see friends, here 2019 and 15, this problem also very important problem friends. Let us see the solution. What is given here friends? You write given f of xy that is equal to e power x cos y, See friends, here about 1 comma pi by 4, it means here x minus 1 and y minus pi by 4 friends, okay, it means here x minus 1 comma y minus pi by 4. Okay, now I compare here x minus a comma y minus b. So what about a? A is equal to 1 and b is equal to pi by 4. Now which is suitable expansion here friends? Exactly, Taylor's expansion. What friends? Taylor's expansion. Now what he says here, up to second degree terms. Okay, now you write down the formula f of xy that is equal to f of, here what is formula friends? A comma b plus x minus a. First I want to write the formula friends. X minus 1 by 1 factorial into fx at a comma b plus y minus b by 1 factorial into fy at a comma b, okay, plus x minus a whole square by 2 factorial into fx x at a comma b plus 2 into x minus a y minus b by 2 factorial into fxy at a comma b plus last term is y minus b whole square by 2 factorial into fyy at a comma b, okay, plus and so on. Okay, actually it is enough up to right second degree friends. So this is our Taylor's expansion. This is our Taylor's expansion. You prepare the formula and you write this formula friends. Okay, right, this is very important friends. This formula is very important. The formula చాలా important అండి. Whatsoever the given problem here, you write first the formula friends. వాడు ఏ ప్రాబ్లం ఇచ్చినా సరే ముందు మీరు ఫార్ములా రాయాలండి. This is very important. Okay, now what we have done here, I want to find the values of f of ab, fx at ab, fy at ab, fxx at ab, okay, all these values friends. Okay, let us see how to find first I want to find f of ab. So f of 1 comma pi by 4, f of 1 comma pi by 4 that is equal to what is function? E power x cos y. So e power 1 cos pi by 4 that is equal to e by cos pi by 4 1 by root 2. So we get here root 2. Okay, and then dou f by dou x. dou f by dou x. It is denoted by friends fx. Fx dou f by dou x. So dou by dou x of e power x cos y. E power x cos y. Derivative of e power x is e power x, so that we take cos y. That implies dou f by dou x yet at 1 comma pi by 4. Okay, that is equal to e cos pi by 4. Again we get here e by root 2. Okay, e by root 2. Now fy friends, fy, that is equal to dou by dou y of f. What is f? E power x cos y, e power x cos y, that is equal to e power x into cos y derivative minus sin y, that implies fx, sorry, fy friends, here fy at 1 comma pi by 4. So we get here e power 1 sin pi by 4. Again this value also we get e by root 2. Now fxx, that is equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou x. Okay, already done one problem friends on this Taylor's expansion. Please click I button here, then you get that problem. Okay, ఇక్కడ ఐ బటన్ ఉంటుందండి పైన, ఆ ఐ బటన్ ప్రెస్ చేస్తే ఫస్ట్ ప్రాబ్లం వస్తుందండి. దాంట్లో కూడా ఇంపార్టెంట్ ప్రాబ్లం డిస్కస్ చేశాను. ఇక్కడ ఈ వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా ఎలా చేయాలో చెప్పానండి అక్కడ, రైట్. హియర్ ఆల్సో వన్స్ అగైన్ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. dou by dou x of dou f by dou x means you don't find again dou f by dou x value friends. Already we find dou f by dou x value. What is value? E power x cos y. So I write again e power x cos y. So that is equal to dou by dou x of e power x again e power x cos y. That implies don't write dou, you simply write there fxx yet 1 comma pi by 4. Okay, e power x cos y, same value friends, we get e by root 2. Now fxy, that is equal to dou by dou x of dou f by dou y, that is equal to, this is x friends. So dou by dou x of dou f by dou y. See, dou f by dou y e power x sin y minus e power x sin y. See friends, here I think here minus here, so this value also minus, get minus here, right. Okay, e power x derivative is e power x, so we get here minus e power x sin y, So here fxy 1 comma pi by 4, that is equal to, come on, tell me friends, here we get what I get here, same value we get. So minus e by root 2. Last one y, come on, tell me friends, here now dou by dou y of dou f by dou y, that is equal to, okay, dou by dou y of dou f by dou y. What is dou f by dou y value? Minus e power x sin y, that is equal to, sin y derivative is cos y, so minus e power x cos y. Now that implies dou f by, dou square f by dou y square at 1 comma pi by 4. Okay, that is equal to, we get here minus again e power 1 is 1, so cos y is 1 by root 2, so we get here also minus e by root 2. Okay, minus e by root 2. Now substitute in given formula friends, if say this is 1, you substitute here, then we get here e power x cos y. So e power x cos y, that is equal to, what is first value? First e by root 2. I think each and every term contain e by root 2 friends. So taking common e by root 2. Okay, e by root 2 into, so we get here 1. Okay, 1. So what is first term here? X minus a. X minus a means x minus 1 friends. Y minus b means y minus pi by 4. Please remember that. Plus x minus 1. X minus 1. What is value? E by root 2. We are taking common already. So we get e by root 2. Okay. And then fy value minus e by root 2. So we get here minus. We are already taking on e by root 2. So plus y minus pi by 4 into, we get minus 1. Okay. Plus x minus 1 whole square by 2 factorial means 2. What is the value? E by root 2. So value is 1. So rest of the two terms have minus friends. So minus 2 into x minus 1 y minus pi by 4 by 2 into 1 minus y minus pi by 4 whole square by 2 into 1 friends. This is the expansion of Taylor's expansion of the function e power x cos y. This is very important friends. This is very important problem because couple of times will come in external examination. So once again, what he says, he given expand e power x cos y about 1 comma pi by 4 in powers of x and y. What it means here friends? Write x minus 1 pi y minus pi by 4. Okay, compare here. I write a is equal to b is equal to. So f of x y, that is equal, I write formula here up to second degree. He mentioned in the problem second degree. Okay, second degree I write here, and then I find each and every term value friends. Okay, ఇక్కడ నుంచి నేను ఏం చేశానంటే ఈ ఫార్ములాలో ఉన్న ప్రతి టర్మ్ వాల్యూని నేను ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేశానండి. చివరిలో ఏం చేస్తాను? ఆ వాల్యూస్ని సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేస్తాను. ఓకేనే, ఇది చేసేటప్పుడు కూడా లాజిక్గా చేశానండి. ఏ విధంగా చేశాను? ముందు ఎఫ్ ఆఫ్ ఏ గామా బి వాల్యూ ఫైండ్ చేశాను. తర్వాత ఎఫ్ఎక్స్ డో ఎఫ్ బై డో ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ముందు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి తర్వాత పాయింట్ సెట్ చేస్తున్నానండి. అదేవిధంగా ఎఫ్ఐ వాల్యూ పాయింట్ సెట్ చేశాను. ఎఫ్ఎక్స్ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ డెరివేటివ్ చేశాను, ఆ పాయింట్ సెట్ చేసి వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తాను. అన్ని అలాగే చేశానండి. ఓకే, హియర్ వాట్ ఐ డన్ హియర్, ఫస్ట్ I find fx value, okay, then I get derivative of the function, then I find the point friends, then I get the value. Similarly, I find fy, find derivative, and then substitute the point friends, then you get the value. Similarly for rest of the functions friends. Finally, I substitute these values in the formula, then I get expansion of e power x cos y. If you have any doubt in this problem, please comment in the comment box. Hope you understand. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.